What is it?
It's just a big stick.
So you like it?
Yeah.
So you like it?
It's fun.
He says he likes it. Mikey likes it. That's what he said. Oh, look. More damage on my trees right here from those stupid deer rubbing their antlers on the bark. So I'm just over here surveying the damages of what I've got with the old tree project, and look at this. Look at this damage I got. I got dirt here, got trees everywhere, a strap that I was using there. Took out 2 trees right here. I told the neighbor today, I said, well, I had that loader, so why weren't you out there telling me to take out more? And he's like, I thought you were just gonna do it. I said, well, they're not my trees. And he said, well, you felt the liberty to take out 2 of them, why didn't you just keep going? I was like, oh, well, I should have, but I didn't. So lots and lots of work to be done here. The first thing I've got to do is just clean this up and get these trees out of here. There's another one right there. It's gonna pop up and rear its ugly head with a vengeance. You like that? So right here, got some pretty bad damage. I took the 38,000 pound loader and ran it on the lawn there and caused some serious ruts. Big ruts and compaction. It's okay though, because I've got to feather this out anyways over here with dirt in the spring. Decided to take out 2 of these trees since I was here, and I've got a big old hole there that I've got to deal with as well. Big tree on the lawn there, 2 of them. I would have preferred to take these out as well, but I was afraid that it was not going to go over good. Look at that, that never even rooted. Just never even rooted. Didn't even take root. So that's a mom right there. That didn't even ever take root. We planted this and it didn't survive, or it didn't even start growing. I've got quite a bit of work ahead of me in clearing out these trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees or so. I'm just gonna cut them up and put them in my dump trailer and haul them to the grain waste where they will burn them. These are not good trees for burning in the fireplace or even in the backyard fire pit, because they're junk, they stink, they're green, and they just suck. They're very, very ashy and stinky and not nice trees. So not nice in pretty much every way. So I don't see any reason to keep them other than for shade, and the shade factor is minimal. Like I said, bad ruts through here. And these trees came down, landed right on my parking area here. And let's see, are we getting any trouble through here? No. I thought we were gonna have some issue. Don't see any issues. So hopefully didn't get any cracking or anything like that. Just need to bring my chainsaw in here and cut these up. So yeah, that's the situation. Today's the next day. I did this all yesterday and just kind of wanted to come out here and take a look and see what I've got going on, what kind of work I've got ahead of me. But now I've got those taken care of. Now I can finally level that all out and plant the grass there in the spring, hopefully. I don't know, depends. I just always have so much to do, never enough time to do it all. So hey, what are you doing over there? Do that again.
Do what?
What were you doing? I saw you whacking that tree. You're like using it like a whip or something like that.
Trying to like break the stick.
Yep. Where's your PPE?
What?
Your personal protective equipment. Where is it? Your eyeglasses and goggles and stuff.
Nowhere.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Hope you guys like that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.